Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. Setting the correct time on your motorcycle's clock might seem like a small detail, but it's essential for keeping track of your rides, planning your trips, and making sure you're always on schedule. This process is quick and easy, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have it perfectly adjusted. Let's get started. Alright, setting the time on your Voge is easy. First, locate the two buttons on your dashboard, one on the left and one on the right. To start, press and hold both buttons simultaneously until you see the clock numbers begin to blink. This means you're now in the time adjustment mode. Next, to adjust the hour, press the left button repeatedly until you set the correct hour. Once the hour is set, it's time to adjust the minutes. Press the right button until the minute digits start blinking. Then, use the left button to adjust the minutes to the desired value. After setting both the hour and minutes, press and hold both buttons simultaneously again for a few seconds. This will save the time and lock it in place. And that's it. Your Voge's clock is now correctly set. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and see you in the next video.